Hi, my name is Erica, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into it. All right, so today we're going to discuss trading stocks for beginners. My apologies. All right, please let me know below in the comments if there's something specific you are looking to see. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get it. Warning, warning. I am not a financial advisor. I'm letting you know that now. I am simply here to help. Warning, warning. I'm also not an expert. Just had to let you know that. I'm simply here to teach you what I know. That's it. So let's hop into it. There are two ways that I trade currently. It is day trading and holding stocks. All right, we'll jump into that a bit down the way. I apologize. Most important with that, with trading, is you want to find a broker that works for you. So finding out which platform you want to use to trade your stocks on. Shop around, see what you like. It's like you going to Walmart and Target, see what works for you. I don't know what else to tell you. It's that simple. Okay. I personally use Robinhood. I also use TD Ameritrade, but they will be converting. That is what I use, but do your own research. Okay. Day trading. Day trading is basically betting if the stock is going to go up or down. As we all may know, stocks fluctuate throughout the day, up, down, trading sideways. So, when you are day trading, that is simply all you are doing. Hey, is this going to rise? And if so, I am betting on that it's going to rise. Is it going to fall down? Am I going to bet that it's going to fall? It's as simple as that. We do want to make sure when we are day trading, we are using a cash account, okay, and no margins. Margins simply mean you're not borrowing money from the broker you're using, okay? Normally, you do have to have 25,000 to day trade. They do have some rules that apply as far as day trading, as far as like you're not able to get in and out of plays. You only can do so much of that throughout the week. So you want to make sure you know what those rules are so you do not get flagged. Okay. Once again, that is day trading. Right. Holding stocks. Holding stocks is the other way that I like to trade, and that's just simply picking a company that is profitable that I plan on investing my 9 to 5 paycheck into, or any extra money that I tend to get into a long term stock. Okay, so if you're someone, for example, who likes to wear Nike all day, you should probably invest in Nike. If you're someone who invests in everything Apple every time the phone comes out, maybe looking into investing in Apple. Get your money, get your return some way, somehow. Okay, once again, you do want to make sure the company is profitable. Everyone knows Nike's been around for years, Apple has been around for years. Okay, Apple is very profitable. Once again, I am not a financial advisor. Okay. And just to add on to this, um, of course, putting your money into a stock and holding it is the best way to grow your money versus throwing it in a bank and you accumulating a few cents every month. Been there, done that. I know you have too. Next, once you find a stock that you like, so like we discussed, a Nike, a Apple, you want to study it, master it for about 4 to 6 weeks. Learn the ranges, learn the highs and the lows. I'm not saying you're going to get the whole stock market in 4 to 6 weeks. I'm simply saying learn the stock you're interested in and master it for the next 4 to 6 weeks. Don't try to focus on learning and mastering a million different stocks because that's where it becomes confusing and you're trying to do too much. The stock market alone is already enough to grasp. So find 1 to 2 stocks, something that you love, you like, profitable, and study those. Um, let's try to kick out the no TV, the no chilling. Let's just study, study, study. I've been at this since 2019. I was at it for about almost 2 years and I stopped. I gave it a break and then I'm back at it. Shouldn't have never left, but I did, but I'm back. Once again, consistency is key. Okay, guys. So You may have good days, you have bad days, but don't give up. All right? There is no fast track to success. Remember that. All right, so after we find that lovely stock, we can start then investing. Remember, you have to find the broker of your choice. So, as far as investing in stocks, there's something that's called ETFs. ETFs are basically a stock that holds multiple stocks or sectors within there. So, for example, this ticker symbol is SCHD, also known for Schwab. This is a broker as well. Within this ETF, they hold a little bit of healthcare, tech, and consumer and financials. So, for example, if you're looking to hold a little bit of Apple, let's say a little bit of Verizon, and maybe a little bit of Tesla, but you may not have the funds, your best bet is to go ahead and find the best ETF that works for you and go ahead and start investing in that. You'll be able to hold a little bit of this and a little bit of that under one umbrella. Okay, and that's the best way to go. Invest what you can afford. Okay, don't overthink it. You want to invest. You want to make sure, of course, your lifestyle is taken care of. And I'm not saying live in lavish. I'm saying your basic needs. Anything extra after that is what you can invest into the stock market. Okay, but you should never go broke trying to invest your money into the stock market. And just another friendly reminder, I am not a financial advisor. I know I might sound like one, but I'm not. Warning. So make sure you guys are doing your own research. Like I said, research, research, research. Leave the Netflix alone. Make sure you are doing as much research as possible. The more knowledge you soak up, the more YouTube videos you watch, the courses you invest in, the more and more you will soak up the knowledge and become a better trader overall. Okay. I invested a lot of time and money into myself. I suggest you do the same. Nothing happens overnight. Okay. So here's an example of a stock. We're going to go with Apple. I love to use Apple as an example. So Apple, around this time, was in the range about 174 and 30 cents to $177.50. So basically, once again, you want to always know what the ranges are for the stocks that you are trading, whether it is your day trading or just holding the stock, because the name of the game is to buy low, sell high. Okay, we don't want to get in high and then think we're going to make money. We want to get in low and then we're going to ride it up and accumulate those dollars. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I hope I'm not losing you. So once again, day trading is simply you buy a call or you can buy a put. Okay. There are different other things you can do. Covered calls. I'm not into that yet. Once again, remember, I'm not an expert. I'm just teaching you what I know and the basics. Also, we want to make sure we're keeping the news in mind when we're buying calls, when we're buying stocks, when we're doing anything to do with the stock market. You know, all those different things can trigger your buying opportunities. So always, it doesn't hurt to have CNN up or just checking the local news, the nation news, before you hop in. For your charting, I would suggest you use TradingView or Think or Swim. Okay, here's an example of an actual Apple chart. So what I mean is when I say buy low, sell high. Okay, so if this was you watching the chart, we can see that Apple was starting to come down and make a left shoulder, and then which formed into a head and then to a right shoulder. Okay, from there it then started to go on a uptrend. So if we were coming in and we were looking to make some money on Apple today, we would want to hop in somewhere here and we would have been able to ride this all the way down and then hop out. Okay, we would call that a put because we're riding it from the top to the bottom. Now a call, that means we're thinking the stock is going to go up. So we would then have hopped in here and rolled this up and hopped out when we started to see this trend different. Okay. So this is just more of a little visual for you to see exactly what I mean when we say buy low, sell high. Okay. You want to buy the dip and ride it up. Okay. So once again, day trading consists of three main things: an expiration date, a strike price, and how many contracts. All right. So your expiration date is basically letting you know, hey, this expires on this day. So if this move that you stated doesn't happen by then, this is going to expire. Now, whether it expires with you having profit or in profit, normally you want to make sure you are cashing out your trades, of course, before the expiration date. Next is the strike price. What strike price are we going to go with? So if Apple's sitting at 175, do we want to sit in the money, at the money, or above the money? Second or third, I'm sorry, how many contracts? So how many contracts can we get of Apple to then 10 times our money, 5 times our money, 2 times our money? That's simply what that is. And here's an example. Don't overcomplicate it, guys. These are the strike prices here. So let's, for example, if Apple was at 175, we want to pick the strike price that's as close as 175 as possible, which would be here. This would be at the money, okay? If we were to go at 177, we would be out of the money, okay? So once again, we would pick 175 as our strike price. Remember, guys, strike price is one of the three things that day trading consists of. The second thing is your expiration date. Do we want to go far out? Are we just trading for the week? The further you go, keep in mind, the further you go out, the more that your trade is going to cost. Okay. Some stocks have a few different expiration dates within the month. Some have 3 to 4. Some of them have 1 to 2. It just depends on the stock. So once again, do your research and make sure you pick what works for you. All right. I also have a recommendation as well. What helped me, I watched one of the best beginner videos. By Chris Sane. He's on YouTube as well, and I would suggest you go and check him out. He does daily videos on options and trading in general. Um, and yeah, if there's anything else you guys would like to see, let me know down below. And remember, don't overcomplicate it, guys. And if there's anything else I can do for you, drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. Peace.